don't know if you guys can tell, but Brian.
We are officially, there it is. So we've been in Texas for about 2 miles now, and we haven't seen the sign until now. We are officially in Texas. Amber and I have been to Texas one time, and that was
together, but separately.
Yeah, but that was like, good Lord, that was like 15 years ago. 15 years ago, we went through Texas on our way to Virginia, on our way to during our move to Naples, Italy. But if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. Welcome to Texas. If you haven't been here, we are going to do our best to show you everything that we can. We are going to be in Houston and in Dallas during our time. So if you are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Please don't forget to like and comment down below, because we are excited to be here. We hope you enjoy this video.
Okay guys, so you come through the front door. We finally made it to our hotel room, and I'm super excited because we have a little kitchenette with a dishwasher, microwave, fridge. So exciting. So we can make our own food here. I'm going to stay with Brian. We're staying here for 2 weeks. So we have a little hot plate. Ooh, nice. Even measuring cups. Some pots and pans, a toaster. This is exciting. And Echo's there. So that is so cool. Ooh, it's the Hilton, one of the Hilton areas. You do get a little coffee maker, and that's cool. Or just does it per cup. Some plates and stuff. Brian's bringing in all of our luggage, so that's gonna be fun. Some cups, mugs, things like that. You turn here, and it's really cool the way it's decorated. There's a cute little like desk area, also like a small dining room table, but I do like the decor. That's really cool. And a super full length mirror. There's Echo. And then you get a really cool comfy couch. It's extra big, which is perfect. So like I'm pretty sure it's a sleeper. Let's check. Yes, it is. So you have extra people. Oh, this is cool. And we are on the 4th floor. The AC is right here, and then you can close it as well. You have resting area, and here comes Brian with all of our stuff. Echo's already laying down. I'm just showing them around real quick. And then king size bed. Okay, so the king size bed, and then you have the lights. So you do have USB and a plug-in. Drawers. Oh, there is a dresser. Okay. I was like, this isn't going to be enough. So the TV. Oop. Not focusing. There we go. TV. Ooh, hand wipes. Alright. Are these going to be enough drawers for us?
Yeah.
For 2 weeks, right? So, I mean, this is kind of the only dresser we have. That's fine. We've lived out of suitcases before. Oh, and there's a fan. I think this is one of the first ones where they had like a fan where you can turn it up.
Sorry for the cat. So, we learned quickly living in hotels.
Bring your own toilet paper.
Not because you don't want them to bring them, but yes.
Especially for 2 weeks.
It's a nice creature, comfort from home, because let's just face it, Two place sucks.
And then here's the little sink area, which is cool. It still has some drawers as well.
Echo keeps saying hi.
The hair dryer. It's Neutrogena are the products. Ooh, I really like the lighting and the way it's decorated in here. That's not a drawer. Dang. And then across, oh, it's a closet. So oh yeah, there's plenty of room in here. You have hangers, pillows, blankets, ironing board, iron. Perfect. Let's check out the bathroom. So for 2 weeks, it's really cool. I like it. Ooh, look at the shower. And it has its own little room.
Come on, kitty.
You excited for 2 weeks for here?
I'm more excited about what's going to happen in a week. I'm excited because I'm taking to a place that you haven't been to yet.
Me?
Yes.
Or all of us?
I've been there.
Not me.
I know, you haven't been there. So I'm really excited to take you there. Take you there. You want to go there. Anyway. So stay tuned because there's going to be a JFK portion to our trip. So.
Low battery.
Also, something that we're going to try out this trip is a nice little power strip that has USBs and plugins to kind of keep everything kind of centrally located. I got this from Amazon, so I can leave the link down below if you guys are
And it
interested.
was cleaned. I didn't show the front door when we first came in because I had echo.
Oh, okay.
But we can show it later.
Yeah, but anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys like this hotel review. We try to do a hotel review every time we go somewhere.
Or at least what it looks like now.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll review it in a few days.
Yeah, for sure. So guys, thank you so much, and we really hope to see you in other videos.
Subscribe!
Well, we're checking out.
2 weeks.
So, like the Willowbrook Homewood Suites, the hot plate is not bad.
It's good to have.
Yeah, but I wish it was bigger, which is kind of like Resident Inn has like a full stove, so it's kind of like what you kind of expect. But the hotel is brand new.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a fan, which is amazing. It works really good. The AC and stuff, you gotta like switch it, change different temperatures.
Right.
The only thing I wish is that Brian said it was a little bit bigger, and like the way the TV is set, it's different. Like you can't really rotate it to the bed and then to the sofa. Right. It's just weird.
Right. You know, the other one that I stayed in by myself was 2 rooms, a main room and then a bedroom. So, I mean, but this is a king suite. It's not, we're not used to sleeping in a king bed, so it was definitely an adjustment. Echo loved it.
Of course. She's sleeping
sprawled out
now.
Already. But guys, this is pet friendly. This is over here on the Beltway 8. Not bad place.
Yeah. How much is it a night?
114, I think. 114.
It's actually not that bad for pet friendly. You can hear dogs. all throughout. So if that's something you're not comfortable with, then you know that as well.
So keep that in mind. It is pet friendly. So I don't know if they have pet friendly only rooms or not. They just gave us a room, and I told them we had an animal. They're like, okay. So I don't know.
Did they charge us extra? Do you know?
I don't know. We'll find out. The walls and ceiling is a little bit thin, so you can hear a lot of stuff.
Even through the front door, you can hear people running throughout. You can hear doors opening and closing.
So if you're a light sleeper and or whatever, but it is located in the business district, so a lot of people who probably use this will be
They get
working.
up early.
Right.
So you do hear that. Like Brian said, so like the walls, so like the bed is the bed on the other side, couch is couch on the wall. So
Yeah, but
it wasn't too bad.
It wasn't bad.
Yeah. We'd probably stay here again, probably.
I would.
Because it's pet friendly for Echo.
That's what we always look for. But guys, you made this far. We hope that this hotel review and room review was decent for you.
Mm-hmm. Parking can be a little sparse.
Right.
Especially because we started noticing that on Wednesdays it starts getting busy.
Yeah. Well, and a lot of these people were coming here for the hurricane and all that kind of stuff. So, it is what it is. I mean, what are you going to do?
It happens. It's hurricane season.
Yeah, it is.
It's fall. Happy fall.
So, yeah, we are trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe down below. If we get to 1,000, we can actually go live. We can do fun stuff with you guys.
And it's so exciting because with spooky season, and I want to get to know you guys, and you guys can decide on some things that we do.
Right.
Or we might be by ourselves.
True. Definitely hit that like button. Hit that comment down below what you guys liked. Any kind of questions we might be able to answer.
Mm-hmm.
But guys, we really do appreciate all the support, all the views, all the comments, all the likes, everything.
Yes.
And we'll definitely see you guys next time.